Conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins two or more words, phrases, or clauses together. There are three main types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are used to join two or more words or phrases of equal importance. The most common coordinating conjunctions are and, but, or, nor, for, so, yet. Subordinating conjunctions are used to join a subordinate clause to a main clause. The most common subordinating conjunctions are after, although, as, because, before, if, since, then, unless, until, when, where, while. Correlative conjunctions are used in pairs to join two or more words or phrases of equal importance. The most common correlative conjunctions are both slash and, either slash or, neither slash nor, not only slash but also. Here are some examples of how conjunctions can be used in sentences. Coordinating conjunctions. I like apples and bananas. She went to the store, but she didn't buy anything. Do you want to go to the movies or the park? Neither John nor Mary is going to the party. We can go to the beach for a swim, or we can go to the park for a picnic. Subordinating conjunctions. I will go to the store after I finish my homework. Although it is raining, I will go for a walk. I will eat lunch as soon as I get home. If you study hard, you will pass the test. Since it is a nice day, we will go to the park. Correlative conjunctions. Both my parents and my siblings are coming to visit. Either you go to the store or I will. Neither of us is going to the party. Not only did she get a good grade on the test, but she also got an award. Conclusion. Conjunctions are a useful tool for joining words, phrases, and clauses together. By understanding how to use conjunctions effectively, we can make our writing and speech more clear and concise.